Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new to the channel, please be sure to subscribe and to click the bell button that is next to the subscribe button so you can be notified every time I upload, which is 12 o'clock, 12:30 every Friday. So today we did something extra, and you know I never play with colors, so I thought that I might just do something springy. It's like a hot pink, it's so pretty. I'm actually so obsessed. So obsessed. So if you would like to see how I achieve this look, please be sure to carry on watching. So I've already done my brows. So now I'm just going to prime my face with the Catrice Prime and Fine primer. So today I'll be mixing the Maybelline Superstay 24-hour foundation in the shade Chestnut, and I'll be mixing it with the LA Pro Conceal in bronze. No, LA Pro Coverage foundation in bronze. And now I'm going to conceal with the LA Pro concealers in Warm Sand. And then I'm going to just set the concealer with the Yardley Absolute Translucent Powder. So as I'm about to start with my eyes, I'm just going to put a layer of translucent powder underneath to catch any fallout. I'm going to prep my eyes with the LA Pro Concealers in Warm Sand. I don't know exactly what I'm gonna do, but we're gonna play with makeup. That's it, yeah. Okay. So let's get started, I guess. I'm trying to think now. Okay. I'm thinking I saw this picture and I don't know if I want to go with it, if I want to go with something else, but we're gonna do something. We're gonna do something. Okay. No, we're doing spring. Let's stick it to this. Okay. Okay. Let's stick to this. Okay. So this. Let's go here. So I'm going to pick up this shade over here as a transition color. This shade right here. And I'm going to apply it onto my crease. Just going to apply it to my crease. And I'm using windshield wiper motions just so I can apply the color. You want to keep on applying it until it's at the intensity that you like. So that's what I'm going to carry on doing. Now I'm just going to go in with the shade here. I'm just going to apply it just a bit below this orange shade. And now I'm just applying this shade right here, which is like a burnt orangey shade, and I'm just going to apply it upon on top of the color I just applied. So I've done this eye. I'm just gonna do the other eye off camera and then pop on lashes, and I'll be right back. Okay, so while you're probably wondering what's happening there, but while I was doing my other eye, I was thinking we need to add some glitter. We can't just have it looking plain F. It ain't our lives, you know, it just ain't. So what we're going to do is we're going to make a cut crease, do a cut crease. So I'm just going to be using my concealer. I'm going to cut my crease. And now I'm going to go in with this shade right here, this pinky shade, and I'm just going to apply it with my fingers. now you just want to go back in with these two shades and then clean around where the cut crease is. I'm just gonna go off camera and pop on lashes and I'll be right back. So I'm just gonna be using the LA Girl, my usual one, which is the LA Girl Blush Collection and Glam Bronzer. And I'm just gonna bronze up the face. I'm just gonna add a bit of shimmer to my face with the Anastasia Beverly Hills That Glow Kit, and I'm going to be using these three shades. So I'm just going to line my lips with the Essence Long Lasting Pencil in Hot Chocolate. And then I'm going in with my MAC Twig, which is almost done, but I have another one, so that's fine. And now I'm gonna spritz my face with my MAC Fix Plus. And this is the finished look.